Good morning to every one of you.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to bolo. So once again, we are here early morning to find out why these routines are very, very important. Can someone just speak about this? How this has helped you since the last 5 days? This is the 6th day. We started on the 1st of April. How this has become so very important as far as our life is concerned. Now, most of us are into the business of stock market. Okay. And getting up early morning, setting our routine right actually helps us be in the game when the market starts. That is what I believe. Okay. Because what is going to happen in the market? The only question being asked by everyone, okay, whomever I meet, whether it is my friend, my relative, or my students or my group members, उन लोग एक ही चीज पूछते हैं, सर क्या लगता है आपको, इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स, क्या लगता है आपको कहां पे जाएगा, और करेक्शन चालू रहेगा, मार्केट और नीचे जाएगा? एंड आई टेल देम आई डोंट नो. Seriously, I tell them I don't know, because today morning how the market is going to behave, वो किसी को नहीं पता होता है. Only thing is, I try to follow the market behind, not in front. I do not try to predict the market. I try to follow the market. And like I said, always speak to the candles. And the candles will tell you what it wants to do. Simple as that. And what it is doing. The point is, everyone wants to predict. Everybody wants to predict. Now tell me one thing for sure. Okay, when you have gone to sleep at night, okay, when you had gone to sleep at night,
everybody wants to predict Millur Bhai.
did you not had a very, very confident answer that tomorrow morning the sun is going to rise? Just ask yourself this particular question. Hello, tomorrow morning the sun is going to rise irrespective of what is going to happen. So today, early morning, everybody is awake, and I thank you all for joining me. Okay, I hope to give you some value on this. Now, when the cycles are continuing irrespective of your thinking process, then why do you feel market को predict करना है? Instead of that, why not follow the market? Be a student of the market, be humble. And when you will do this, okay, you are going to understand what is to be done during the market hours. Your study of the market, your preparation of the market is going to help you become a better trader or an investment. But the problem is, people just get up at maybe 9 o'clock, open their laptop and brush करते करते वो कीबोर्ड पे हाथ लगाते हैं, and most of the time they tend to fail period of time. I am not saying कि उन लोग अच्छे trader नहीं हो सकते, they will not make money. Yes, the luck also will take care of that, but most of the time, okay, they fail because there is no preparation. Okay, they will not take this as a business. Now, please understand, if you have a business or if you are into a profession, okay, what you are doing? You are getting up early morning, having your own routine, taking your bath, na dhoke, kapda dal ke, you are going at the right time and for your professional journey. Yes or no? Think about it. So are you doing this for the same business? Are you taking it in a professional fashion? If you are not taking it into account that this is a business, the thinking itself goes wrong. And that is where the mind sets to go away from being professional to retail wala. And most of the time, the retailers tend to fail because of not lack of knowledge, not lack of understanding, but because of their attitude towards the market, attitude towards their profession. If you are good and you are best in your own profession, which you have cultivated, number of years, not 1 or 2 years, maybe 10, 15, 20 years, 30 years, तो वहां पे प्रोफेशनलिज्म रखा, तभी आप ये लेवल पे हो, अभी के लेवल पे. तो व्हेन यू आर इन द मार्केट, वो प्रोफेशनलिज्म आपके पास है फॉर गेटिंग दिस system process right. Now, if you cannot and if you are not doing it in a professional manner, what happens? Everything goes haywire. Everything goes haywire. And this creates the biggest problem. It is not lack of knowledge. It is not that you have not understood what has to be done, but lack of professionalism, or what we can say is lack of discipline. Are you agreeing to this? That this is one of the point where we are failing. And this is what we have to bring into our system. We have to bring into our domain that discipline which is needed in the market. And then you have so many different places to take care of: system, process, risk management. There are few of them. So guys, today morning our chit chat topic is attitude towards this business. If you bring about the right attitude of getting the system right, learning, and then improving and considering this as your business, then it is going to help you go to the next level of trading or investment. But the issue is we take it very lightly, and we feel at a particular given time, okay, even if we don't give enough time to this, we don't study the charts, okay, we don't follow the morning routine, still we are okay. And then when you come with such attitude towards the market, every now and then you make the same mistake again and again and again and again. Now please understand, that has become your routine. And when it becomes your routine, you will not even come to know, okay, this is the mistake I am doing. And to correct that, you need a mentor, you need a coach, or you need a buddy to show you, boss, this is your mistake, you cannot do this, okay? But our ego will come into picture during that time. Okay, how can you tell me this? This is one of the most important area which needs improvement. So we are fortunate that we have repeated today. We have repeated today number 8 ka figure. Okay. And I appreciate that every one of you. Okay. Dr. Vardhan is there. Angelo, Galaxy M51, Kunal Shah is there. Nitin is coming. Tarunji is there. Vinay is also there. So few of them new are joining in. And this is going to be a wonderful journey. Believe me, this is going to be a wonderful journey. The start of the morning. So what, since the last 6 days, what we are doing? First, getting up early morning. Give yourself 15 minutes of reading a good book, 15 minutes of exercise, 15 minutes of focus meditation. And today, what we have set is, yes, very important. The fifth thing we had decided was not to use this for the first 1 hour, so that we get that time for ourselves, for our study, for our improvement. And today we discussed about our attitudes towards our business of stock market. You can be good at your profession, whatever you are doing. Everyone is having a second profession where they are at this level. Now, if you want to bring this stock market business to this level and above, okay, this has become my bread and butter. My business of computers, I have shut down, and I have having this as my primary business. Now think about it. If I take this lightly, will I be able to run my house? No. So guys, it's very important that you really take this very, very seriously. Okay. The only way you can take this seriously is give enough time to this business. Anyone is having anything to say? We had Dr. Vardhan before we actually started the meeting. He was speaking about something. Dr. Vardhan, if a request, what we discussed before the start of the meet, if you can really put your word in little louder.
No, what I have told, I just don't remember exactly on what topic you want to say. I told about the commitment. I told about the compassion. Whatever the profession, whatever the work you are doing it. And then regularly when we are doing it, it will take us to the next level. That's all.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. So
Welcome, sir.
see, being into a other profession is bound to happen. Okay. But cultivating these skills, okay, is one of it. But now please understand, most of us, okay, love to play cricket. Okay, everybody loves to play cricket, and on a Sunday afternoon or in the morning, we go out and play cricket. Now think about it. Is this cricket what you are playing going to put you into the league of Indian cricket team? Yes, hello. Playing cricket on a Sunday morning or an afternoon along with your friend, is this going to put you into Indian cricket team? I think you know your answer, right? Now, if that is the thing, then why do you feel that if you do a time pass working in the market, you can be a pro? There are so many things which you need to work on, you need to change, right? So change the attitude, change the approach. If I telling you something in terms of market क्या करने वाला है, okay, I'll give you a point to point, ये ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा. But if you are unable to take that trade, unable to take an action during the market hour, will you be successful? There is one other point also. Okay, 5 people, 10 people in the same trade. Okay, then why some of them will make more money, some of them will lose money, or some of them will make little money, or some of them will just wait and watch. नहीं नहीं मैं देखूंगा ये क्या हो रहा है, and will not take any action. So you understand, every individual has his own mindset, and that is why the market is called as chaos. It is live action, and that is the best part of it. It is going to remain live whether you are going to be in the market or not. Now, if you would love to master the art of speaking to the candles, going to the next level, keep on coming to the morning routines. This morning routine is your attitude towards becoming a professional player in this arena of endless opportunity. Endless opportunity. Any given time when you will come to the market is ready to give you. Le lo bhai, le lo. But if your attitude is wrong, okay, if you do not believe in yourself, if you are not ready to change, market is not going to give you. Yes, you can become Karodpati, but only on papers. If I would have taken that trade, and if I would have taken that action, and if so many people I know of have become billionaires, but on papers. But if you would love to, again I'm putting it, if you would love to become a pro, there is work to be done. And morning routines is one of them. Any questions before we wind up? Okay. Thank you very much for joining me. Tomorrow morning with one more topic. We'll see you. Corona abhi bhi gadbad kar raha hai, and it is at the next level. In fact, last March it started and then it subsided. Again, March has come and it is at a new level. Now you need to take care of yourself and your family. Okay, so getting up early morning, doing the breathing exercise, okay, drinking hot apna kadha, okay, keep yourself fit, do some exercise, do at least skipping. Chalo, skipping se start karo. Breathlessness hoga, don't worry, okay. 10 skipping करके breathlessness होगा, रुक जाओ, okay, take a rest, then again do 10, then again do 10, start, stop, it is going to help you. Okay, so tomorrow morning I'll see you once again. Have a wonderful day, profitable day, I would say, with happiness, smile on your face. Love you all, take care. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. This we are continuously having this. Okay, YouTube पे मैं डाल देता हूँ. Okay, go and watch it again if you would love to. Okay, and take some notes. When you watch it again, take some notes. Keep that note with you and do subscribe to the channel Mayur Sampath and share the videos if you are seeing some value over here. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mahesh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.